Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. We're on our way home from the Women's Conference in Vandalia, Missouri. Somebody blew a stop sign and our Jeep we were towing behind our RV
completely off the RV.
Got T-boned and ripped completely off the RV.
Yeah, be careful though.
Was you asleep?
Yeah.
Did it wake you up?
Yeah, did it wake me up?
I was awake. Scared the shit out of me.
So
I thought someone hit the side of the RV.
We were coming through a four-way intersection. I'd stopped. No cars coming either direction. I proceed through as a four-way stop. I proceed through, and the next thing I know, it sounded like a bomb went off, and it was someone T-boning. Here, get over here. And it was somebody T-boning. Slow down there. It was somebody that T-boned our Jeep and ended up on its side. There's flashing lights all over, tow vehicles.
The guy that hit us is okay.
The table's almost in the driver.
Shine the light on it.
Are you guys gonna wait until the tow truck comes, or do I need to stay here when they do come?
Oh.
Okay.
I guess he's not.
Can I go talk to that car that's across the street that's...
Items out of here, don't we?
They're gonna flip this whole thing over. So
just shine it right there. I want to see something. What a crazy night. What a crazy night. We have a Class A RV that we tow our Jeep behind. It's got like a solid tow bar that connects to the front bumper of the Jeep basically. And it just completely ripped the Jeep completely free from the tow equipment. The tow equipment's all bent.
Once we got out of the RV and I got like around, Corey was like, "Is the Jeep still there?" And when I seen that it was missing, it scared the death out of me because I was like, "Oh my gosh, someone is hurt bad."
Here, come on through a little bit.
But whew, there's a little adrenaline rush there.
Yeah, a little bit of a dump, adrenaline dump now. I'm tired. I'm getting sleepy.
So anyway.
What do you think about that?
Oh, it's pretty cool.
But it wasn't cool.
Not at all. It's cool, but it's not cool at all.
We had a lot of fun in that Jeep, didn't we?
Yeah.
sleepy.
I'm exhausted now. Well, we're home. It's almost midnight, but we're finally home.
Made it home.
You're
Safe
home
and sound.
safe.
And we're all okay. Yeah.
That's all that matters. That was just crazy. It's crazy to think that things could happen like that in like
Split
a
second.
second.
1 second. 1 second they're all behind me in the RV falling asleep. And then the next second it's just chaos. If it was, you know, a half a second different timing and he hit the RV, this is a much different story. So luckily it was just a Jeep and we can replace the Jeep. So
It's time for bed.
it is time for bed.
Dylan's right there sleeping.
Lola through the whole thing was in the RV on the couch just sawing logs.
She had
just
no
like,
idea.
She's just like, hey, let's
Even
go.
with-
Let's go home.
You panicking.
Yeah. I went in there to check
Yeah,
on
me
her,
too.
and she was like halfway off the couch sleeping.
Not a care in the world. But all right,
Not a great way to end the weekend. We did have a wonderful weekend.
we did.
We did. But
Bad way to end it.
Yeah.
All right, to a new week. We got rams to butcher. We got chickens to butcher. It's gonna be crazy around here. Oh, and we have full-time jobs to work too. All right. Good night.
see you guys.
Night.